It's just sharing of responsibilities. It's not that they are taking over the roadblocks. Yeah, it will be interchanging. And if you try to escape this roadblock using the other Panya route, you'll find officers there. So far, we have not encountered any person trying to evade the roadblock. If you evade, you use the Panya route, we have officers there. We sealed all Panya routes. And so far, so good. We've received support from the government, and we are requesting the mwananchi to at least help the government fight this disease.